Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'll be participating in another open collab. This one is called the Fall Coffee Table Decor Challenge 2021, hosted by Pretty Inspired Decor and Mystylemycolours. We were tasked with creating 2 coffee table styles. So check out what I've put together for you today.
First criteria is to have a light source. To that, I'm going to add a candle as well. This beautiful sculpture, which I got in Mexico, and I'm going to add that to our coffee table. I'm going to add a coffee table book to give that just a little more height. And our beautiful candlesticks as well. Very simple styling for this first coffee table vignette. I've placed my DIY lantern with some white candles and my mercury glass candlestick holders. For my second look, I'm going to come back in with another coffee table book and stack them. Them right in the middle of our table here. This vignette or coffee table styling asks you to have a tray and floral. For our tray, I'm going to use that glass tray. I got it from Home Goods some time ago. And then on top of our tray, I have this beautiful textured silver vase, and I hope you can make out that texture because it's absolutely beautiful. I've had this for some time, purchased it from, I believe it was Burlington, $12.99. Into that, I found these cute little, and they're a novelty item, black florals at Dollar Tree with the little skull and branch accent. So I thought those were really cute. So I'm going to put those right down into our textured vase. Just want to fan them out a little bit. Open up the roses to make them look a little better. Next, I'm going to come in with the same pumpkin that I used in the last one. And this black pumpkin was a thrift find. It was white with a green stem. And I painted it black. And inside I put some twinkle lights and a bling wrapped black candle. And I'm going to come in with my same sculpture that I used before in the last vignette. This, I'm going to add some black coasters, and these I bought when I was in Mystic, Connecticut. They are black knotted coasters. Very pretty. And I'm just going to fan those out along the side. The last thing I'm going to come in with is this DIY pumpkin, and I think the silver tone accents the silver tone in the vase. And I tried to do like a Z Gallerie inspired look with this pumpkin with the crushed glass and glitter on top. And there we have our second vignette. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what I put together for you today, and I hope that it gives you inspiration to do some fall decorating, or Halloween decorating in this case, in your home. Thank you so much to our hosts of the collab today. Please stop by their channels and show them some love. Now let me bring you in for that closer look.